So we are here in Tel Aviv. We are very proud to participate in the 2025 meeting of the Auditory Israel Society for Auditory Research. And we are here to present the new Alango feature that we have developed, and we will demonstrate on the Qualcomm reference design prototype with the latest Snapdragon chip. So our new feature is called BSP.
And this is a very new product or new innovation approach. We are actually using a two-dimension grid where you go to the left or the right, you change the frequency composition, and when you go up and down, you change the amount or the scale of the hearing loss. So the user can use the BSP, the best sound point for him, individually for each patient, for each user. So if he goes up, he has more amplification. He has an audiogram that goes up, and if he goes on the right, he has more high tone loss, and if he goes to the left, he has more low tone loss. So for each patient, for each user, he can customize his own hearing loss, his own amplification, tailored for him, only for him. And this approach is very easy, very intuitive, and very short. And based on this approach, the amplification of the device or the amplification profile of the device will be tailored or fitted only and specifically for this patient. So we assume that the process can be very helpful, short in time, and very effective for each patient or for each user.
It's very user-friendly and yet a very effective way to obtain very good personalization and effective results.